dear students, our proud alumni and distinguished members of the audience. A very good evening to one and all. On behalf of Dream India School Uluberia, it gives me immense pleasure and honor to welcome you all to our annual function Dream Fest 2026. Today, your presence has truly added grace, warmth, and meaning to this special occasion. Today is a moment of pride and gratitude for all of us, as our school completed 10 successful years of its journey in the field of education. What began a decade ago with a humble vision and big dreams has now grown into an institution committed to excellence, values, holistic development. These 10 years have been a journey of learning, challenges, dedication, and achievements. Each student who through our corridors, each teacher who guided them, and each parent who trusted us has contributed to shaping Dream India School into what it is today. I am extremely proud to announce that from this academic year, our school has started following the CBSE curriculum. This makes a significant milestone in our academic journey. The CBSE framework emphasizes conceptual learning, critical thinking, skill-based learning, and all-round development of the students. I am happy to inform you that the process for CBSE affiliation is progressing positively, and we are hopeful to receiving affiliation very soon. At Dream India School, we believe that education is not just about scoring marks, but about building character, confidence, and compassion. Our constant effort is to provide quality education that prepares our students to face the challenges of them in the world while staying rooted in values. In this spirit, I am delighted to announce another important initiative. From this year, our school is introducing an educational scholarship program for financially weak yet meritorious students. We firmly believe that no deserving child should be deprived of education due to financial limitations. So this scholarship is our step towards inclusive education and social responsibility. Dear students, you are the soul of this institution. Today's celebration Dream Fest 2026 is a platform for you to express your creativity, confidence, and cultural understanding. This year's program is beautifully woven around the theme Nava Rush, the 9 emotions that form the essence of Indian art and human life. Through dance, music, and drama, you will witness expressions of joy, courage, devotion, compassion, wonder, peace, and more. This performance reflects that education goes beyond textbooks. It nurtures emotional intelligence, cultural awareness, and self-expression. To our respected teachers, I extend my heartfelt appreciation. You are the true architects of this institution. Your dedication, patience, and passion shape young minds every day. Your role goes far beyond technical lessons. Your inspiration always help the students. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our parents for their trust, cooperation and continuous support. Education is a partnership between school and home, and your involvement strengthens our mission. A special word of appreciation goes to our 8 students. You are our pride. Your achievement in various fields stand as testimony to the values and foundation laid at Dream India School. So you will always remain an integral part of our school family. I extend my deepest gratitude to our respected chief guests and honorable guests for sparing their valuable time to be with us today. Your presence and blessing inspire us to strive for gather higher. As we look ahead, our vision remains clear. Our visions are to strengthen academic excellence, to embrace innovation and technology, to encourage sports, arts and life skills, and to nurture responsible, confident and value-driven citizens. Let us continue this journey together with dedication, unity and faith in the power of education. I conclude my speech by thanking everyone who has directly or indirectly contributed to making this event and our 10 years journey successful. May our school continue to grow from strength to strength and touch many more lives in the years to come. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.